Hi, to remove objects from photos on Samsung Galaxy S25, firstly you need to go in your phone's gallery and here find photo in which you want to remove something. For example, let's pick this. Now we got two options how we can remove something from this photo. We can either use this AI editing, generative edit, or we can tap on pen icon, tap on four dots, and choose Object Eraser. Let's use Object Eraser and draw around anything you want to erase. I want to erase this house, so I'm gonna draw around it and tap this button Erase. And this is the result. Also, if you want to, you can choose to erase reflections and shadows. And here, enable or disable magnetic lasso. And then tap Done to save changes. Now let's go back and tap Stars icon and check Generative Edit. For that, I'm gonna also draw around this house, tap this eraser, and tap Generate. Now we just need to wait a few seconds till AI will do its work. And this is the result. I think this feature works better. So I'm gonna save this copy and here it is. So that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.